we're going to set up a new project on Codeship Pro using BitBucket. So once I log into Codeship, I'll see a blank dashboard like I see here. And then in the top left, I'll click on Select Project. I click on Create New Project, and Codeship is going to ask me which source control I'd like to use. I'm going to choose BitBucket, and then Codeship will ask me for my repository clone URL. So I'm going to toggle over to my BitBucket repo, and I'll find that URL on the top right over here. So I go ahead and copy it, go back to Codeship, paste it in, and click Connect. And then Codeship is going to ask me to choose either the basic or the pro infrastructure. Now the Codeship basic infrastructure is focused on quick setup, turnkey deployment integrations, and it just works out of the box. The pro infrastructure is focused on using Docker images to give you a maximum level of customizability and flexibility and power. We're going to choose the pro infrastructure today. And then I'll see this easy setup screen showing me how I can use my Docker images and my Docker files to run Codeship Pro builds. Now on Codeship Pro, there are two YAML files I'll create. These are the two YAML files I add to my repo that drive the CI/CD process on Codeship Pro. Codeship Steps YAML is a list of all the commands in my pipeline, my tests and image pushes and deployments. Codeship Services YAML is an outline of all the containers I need for my CI/CD pipeline in a Docker Compose syntax. And if I need any help creating these two files, you can see on the Codeship documentation, we have a great getting started guide, and we've also got some good in-depth webinars and ebooks you can dig into as well. Now I'm going to make sure this is working here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and make a quick test commit. So I'll just make a test file here. I will add this, and then we'll go ahead and do a commit, and we'll just say testing Codeship. Now we'll push this up. And if I give this just a minute here, I can click over to my project dashboard, and I will see a build now running on Codeship. So now my project is set up and working on Codeship Pro using BitBucket.